Pinaghirapan niyo yan, you deserve that, okay? So don't ever let anyone ever tell your sparkle kasi you deserve to shine. So okay, so huwag kayo manghinaan ng loob. Naintindihan ko ba? Okay, andyan pa ba? Nakikinig ko ba? Okay, so may speak ba yun? Para mahaba na. Okay, so I'll be ending my speech with this line na gusto ko alalahanin nyo sa tuwing nahihirapan na kayo as a student or kahit as an anak ng mga magulang nyo, okay? Gawin yung motivation in life ang mga katagang ito. Ready na? Ready na mga marinig? Okay, ito ang sasabihin nyo palagi sa sarili nyo kahit sa mga parents, okay? Sa guardian, sa teacher, sa lahat. Malayo ka pa, pero malayo ka na. Once again, congratulations and God bless us always.
We are grateful for your inspiring message this morning, Mama Eileen. We know that our young Obsidians are incredibly proud of what you have accomplished. Our Obsidians here were inspired by your messages. You are a true source of pride for Dr. Domingo G. Absedi Elementary School. May your words inspire them to work even harder. To award our certificate of appreciation, may we call our school principal, Mrs. Maria Rosario C. De Leon, and I would like to invite our grade 4, grade dean, Mrs. Jocelyn V. Caceres, the overall in charge of this event, and our administrative officer, Ma'am Lailani Arte. Let me read the citation. Nagawa ng edukasyon ng iyong kaibigan sa ngayon ng mga paaralan ng Lungsod Naga, Dr. Domingo G. Absedi Elementary School, Bagong Bayan Sur, Naga City. Certificate of Appreciation is awarded to Eileen V. Caceres, LPT, for imparting her valuable insights, inspirations, and commendable success to the awardees during the 52nd recognition rites of Dr. Domingo G. Absedi Elementary School with the theme, Generation of Unity, Partners of the New Philippines, given this 15th day of April 2025 at Dr. Domingo G. Absedi Elementary School, Naga City. Signed, Maria Rosario C. De Leon, Principal. At this point, let us now proceed to the awarding of medals and certificates for academic and special awards. May we request our school principal, our guest speaker, respective class advisors, and grade deans to give the awards. May we request the parents to accompany their child as they receive the awards. So let us have the grade 5 honor pupils.
Hindi pa, grade 5 pa lang. Yan guys, recognition day ng kapatid ko. Si Stephen A. Orbon. Ayun guys si Mama. Ayun guys si Mama. Yung maikli lang buhok guys. Siya yung kasama ni Kuya. Yun na guys.
Grade 5 honor pupils. Grade Stephen
Tawag kayo Mama. Pumili ka ng tubig.
Grade honors.
Yan guys, yung kapatid ko lumapit kasi uutusan bumili ng tubig. Wow na ata guys si Mama.
Harvey D. Alam, Green Honors, participant in the Regional Scouts Parade Competition by Scout Category B.
Bibili daw. Nang ano?
Read honors.
Hindi naman no.
Kyle C. Asilio. Read honors. Natalie Rochelle P. Averilla. Read honors. J.R.H.
Yan guys, so inutusan bumili ng tubig sa kanya soft drinks.
The TikTok Dance Competition Junior Scout category of the GSP World Thinking Day 2025. Jonas F. Bolivar, Read honors. Ania Luisa B. Bonifacio, Read honors.
Hindi yun, si Stephen. Kukuha mo na yun na tubig. Sigawan mo ha. Ano sigaw mo?
Kuya!
Kuya, kuya, go!
Read honors.
Sigawan mo, kuya, kuya. Takas na mo wala. Hindi yan yun. Kuya, kuya.
Leona Chasey Ramos C. De Alcai, Read honors. First runner-up in Original Scouts Parade and DXMC competition, Major X, category B.
Wala mo. Nakakagod pa rin yun. Hindi ka na mapagalitan. Ako bahala.
Margot G. Dumalasa, Read honors.
Grade 5 pa lang yan guys.
Gorgeous Lee P.C. Fidelis, Read honors. David L. Nopre III, Read honors.
4 na guys. Sunod na yung kapatid ko guys, grade 3. Pagkatapos ng grade 4. Wala pa.
With
Grade 3 pa.
high honors, Mariel B. Roblas, champion in the Regional Scout Parade Competition, Junior Scout Category B. Paul Kevin R. Ostero, with honors.
Mamaya, pag dumating na si Grandma mo, bumaba ka dyan, yakapin mo.
Marilyn O. Pascunian, with honors. Champion in the Regional Scouts Parade Competition, Junior Scout Category B. Lara Jane and Bigia, with honors. Isaiah Briggs Abel Bees, with honors. First runner-up in Original Scouts Parade and BXMC Competition, BXMC Pan Category B. Krish Emmanuel B. Busquet, with honors. Carmaine C. Bustamante, with honors.
Bumaba ko yung ano dito. Ngay, nakamot yung...
Cristel Anica and Glavo, with honors. Champion in the Regional Scouts Parade Competition, Junior Scout Category B. Participant in the TikTok Dance Competition, Star Scout Category of the GSP World Thinking Day 2025.
Oh.
Sean Cedric C. Clavo, with honors. Participant in the Regional Scouts Parade Competition, Boy Scout Category B. Mary Grace M. Consulta, with honors. First runner-up in Original Scouts Parade and BXMC Competition, Majorette, Category B. J.R. C. De Los Santos, with honors. Participant in Original Scouts Parade Competition, Boy Scout Category B.
Kuya! Iba naman yung ugali.
category B. Participant in the TikTok dance competition, Star Scout category of the GSP World Thinking Day 2025. Francine D. Puliente, with honors. John Francis N. Orta, with honors. Johnson M. Orolfo, with honors. Participant in Original Scouts Parade Competition, Boy Scout category B. Shami Cyrene B. Pelomeo, with honors. Participant in the TikTok dance competition, Star Scout category of the GSP World Thinking Day 2025.
Grade 3 na. Bro!
Abel Beniel E. Samiliano, with honors.
O yan na, grade 3 na yan. Alam mo na, sisigaw mo, dali. Si Mama.
Veronica B. Santiago, with honors. Participant in the TikTok dance competition, Star Scout category of the GSP World Thinking Day 2025. Now with Jane L. Yocampo, with honors. Participant in the TikTok dance competition, Star Scout category of the GSP World Thinking Day 2025.
Ito na si Ate. Si Stephen.
Kate Jovel S. Zapata, with honors.
Dito na, dito. Hindi mo makikita. Nandito yun. Dito mo muna lang. O, dito, para kita mo. Kita mo? Hindi. Makikita mo dyan sa...
Grade 3 honor.
Dito!
Charmaine N. Aquino, with honors. Champion in Original Scouts Parade Competition, Star Scout category B.
Pakinggan mo. Sigawan mo.
Sharon Tyler S.C. Baca, with honors. Participant in Original Scouts Parade Competition, Cub Scout category B. Participant in the Vocal Solo Competition in the 2025 Council-wide Teen and Cub Scouts Extravaganza. John Cal and Vikia, with honors. Participant in the Original Scouts Parade Competition, Cub Scout category B.
Ay, si kuya mo. Ay ka. Ayan, sigawan mo na.
Athena Marie A. Bragaz, with
Ayun o.
honors.
Ayun o. Ayun o, ayun o, ayun o, ayun o. Hindi ka makita.
Champion in Original Scouts Parade Competition, Star Scout Category B.
Hindi yan. Sabi mo, Stephen.
Stephen!
Bumubi ka na. Wala, di ka naririnig. Bingi kasi yan. Kaka-cellphone niya yan.
Sian Patrick Casais, with honors. Participant in the Regional Scouts Parade Competition.
Ayaw guys tumingin ang kapatid ko. Wag na. Kasi nag-video din ako.
Clarence J. C.
Ay,
Lao, with honors.
Di ko... Ayun na, tumingin na. Ayun na. Ayun na. Yan guys. Ika. Yan guys, yung kapatid kong
Marty Charles C. Lealday,
Sigawan
with
ko mamaya.
honors. Participant in Original Scout Parade Competition, Cub Scout Category B.
Si mama guys, nakaupo pa. Mamaya pa siya sasamahan.
Mary Elijah B. De Leon, with honors. Champion in Original Scouts Parade Competition, Star Scout Category B. Participant in a TikTok dance competition, Star Scout category of the GSP World Thinking Day 2025. Pauline Netarala, with honors.
Baba mo. Baba. Kuya, baba mo.
Nino Dan Matthew A. Insinares, with honors. Participant in the Regional Scouts Parade Competition, Cub Scout category B.
Baba mo. Baba.
Naz Ray B. Evangelista, with honors.
Si Ako daw gusto niya guys. Kaso si mama nandyan. Si mama na lang.
Dylan Blake Alvarado,
Nagtrabaho kasi guys si Papa.
with honors. Third place in the District Festival of Talents Storytelling Competition.
Bakit? Anong gagawin mo kay kuya mo?
Ma.
Ano? Anong gagawin mo kay kuya mo?
Micaela C. Verduque, with honors. Champion in the Original Scouts Parade Competition, Star Scout category B. Participant in the TikTok dance competition, Star Scout category of the GSP World Thinking Day 2025.
Huwag sigawan sa tenga ko.
Saan na si Kuya?
Sunod na dyan.
Kristen May B. Lupa,
Hawakan mo muna. Ikaw muna. Naiwan ko yung ganyan ko. Natatakpan na. Ayusin mo.
Nalulog ako ah. Lang, apat na mo naman na mahulog ako.
Makila Angel B. Martinez, with honors. Champion in Original Scouts
Hindi na ako na. Sigawan mo na lang si kuya mo.
Scout category B.
Kuya!
Wala pa. Babae pa yan.
Kuya ako.
Ayun yung kuya mo. Yung may guhit kagaya mo. Huwag ka magulo.
Makil Angelo B. Martinez, with honors.
Malapit na. lang. Papagalitan ka dyan. Alisan kita dito para di ka makababa. Ang gulo na.
Hindi na siya pala. Babae pa.
Kiel, Zoran, and Leonis. Lead honors.
Kuya!
Hindi.
Maria Lourdes Aingope. Lead honors. Champion in the Original Scouts Parade Competition, Star Scout, Category B.
Anong lead yun?
Alexa Megan P. Obado. Lead honors.
Sigawan mo na.
John Aaron G. Olakino.
Sunod na.
Lead honors.
Sunod na. Sunod na si Stephen. Huwag ka nga hawak sa akin. Huwag ka muna nga hawak sa akin.
Stephen A. Orgol. Lead honors.
Sigaw mo na. Sigawan mo na. Yan guys, kapatid ko na yan guys.
Kuya!
Yan guys. Kapatid ko yan guys.
Jeff Angelo L. Pugay. Lead honors.
Yay! Honor siya
Original
guys.
Scouts Parade Competition.